Hi folks, look at SharperTrades. Market continues a steady pace above the EMA and 540. Resistance remain 550. Targets 555, 563, 64, and 570. Support again 540. You know that 532, 533, and 50 SMA. Mara, today, a day trade and a swing. We enter on this breakout when it popped here, the consolidation popped, retested, there was some volume, and then rallied, retest of BWP, closing near the end of the session at the resistance at 22.25. This is the first target, good volume. So it's almost there today. Tighten the stops a bit, 21, and today low 20, 21 and 20 for simplicity. So fingers crossed, it gets there tomorrow, breaks 23 and goes higher. In that case, we're looking, this is a resistance, right? All those highs, 23. So we're looking for 24.60 and 26.50 moving forward. Nike, awesome, awful earnings. In fact, we see the price gapping down, big gap from 93 to 75. So this looks like it's going to try to fill this gap. The close is overall positive. In the green, there was a dark pool activity, rather large, a total of 3.5 million, somewhere around 75, 60, right? So we're looking for a breakthrough and hold 79. It will trigger a buy and attempt to fill this gap, in which case we're looking for 81, 85, 88, 92. Or if it breaks below 74 and fail to recover, then it's problematic. It's going to be going even lower, 72, 69, and 66. Let's see how it does, and something worth watching moving forward. Roku is turning around. The volume is turning bullish. Price is moving up. Still don't have a lot of volume, but it's good. We were seeing good increase. Many days green. And so this one, I do expect a retest of 60 primary level and 50 SMA secondary level. So maybe 60, move sideways, lower shadows, and then eventually break through 54, which is one target, and then 64, 68, 72, possibly the 200 SMA currently at 75. Support again 60 and 50 SMA.
Are you tired of playing the guessing game in the stock market? It's time for a change. It's time to trade with smart money. Introducing Dark Option Flow, your key to trading success. Tracking unusual options, dark pools, and insiders' activities in real time. Trade alongside smart money. This is the game billionaires and investors don't want you to know. Dark Option Flow, your pathway to trading success. Try it today with our 14-day money-back guarantee. Join us today 100% risk-free. Your success story begins with Dark Option Flow. Visit darkoptionflow.com and start trading in the know. Dark Option Flow, because your success matters. See you inside.